The rear fender is completely worn out here, where it's supposed to be some kind of support. So I'm gonna try to disassemble the shock absorbers, see if they can be used in any way. Yeah, I think that one is gone. I think it should come out again. Well, I think I will have to find new ones. That's no surprise. Yeah, we'll check second one too. Take off the tension. Oh my god, that one's completely gone. Oh. Yeah. Okay. Need new ones. Yeah, so the old suspension was complete trash. So I've ordered a new kit. It will be here in 5 or 6 days, I think. Maker is ESS. I think they are okay. Not very expensive, but not very cheap either. So I think they are in the middle of the range. I think they will be okay for this project. For this trip I'm planning with this bike, I think it's sensible to have a nice suspension. These old ones could probably be saved, but it doesn't. Time and effort, it doesn't add up for the price for new ones. So that was no-brainer. The rear fender is completely worn out here, where it's supposed to be some kind of support. It's broken off. There are cracks here and here. I don't know what originally was between here, and I don't have any of those parts. So I made this bracket, and it will be fitted something like this. Grommet here. Gonna drill one small hole here and a bolt between. Keep it in place. Between the fender and the brackets, I'm going to use these rubber grommets. I think they will fit nicely. Yeah, I think that turned out okay. This cable is supposed to go inside the frame here. There's a hole here and a hole here. I'll try to make that happen. I can't get past the point here where it has been repaired.